Good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to study about letter writing. There are two types of letters. One is formal letter and another one is informal letter. We shall see more about it. What is formal letter and what is informal letter? A formal letter can be written for various reasons. Here we have covered the topic. So, we are going to cover the two topics, that is formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter is writing for the business people, so other than our friends or relatives. On the other hand, the informal letter is written to one's friends, family or relatives. So, informal letter is not an official letter. Now, we shall study more about these two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. A letter is written for formal purpose is called formal letter. What is? A letter is written for formal purpose is called formal letter, and it address in a serious issue. So, there are for various reasons, for various person, the various places we are writing formal letters. Few examples are here: letter to the editor, letter to the government, letter to the police, letter to the principal, order letter, complaint letter, enquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, a letter to the bank manager, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity, and there are many other reasons we are writing formal letters. Next, we need to see what is the format of formal letter, how to write a formal letter. Already we discussed two kinds of letters, formal and informal. Both letters, the format, there will be a small difference. In the formal letter, we need to strictly follow some format. For example, use of colloquial words, abbreviations, slang language, it should be restricted in formal letter. It can be used in informal letter. And main point is, a formal letter must be precise and right to the point. For what purpose we are writing, we need to ask that directly, for why or for what purpose I am writing this letter, and the subject is very important in the letter. So, what purpose, that what is the reason or why I am writing this letter, that should be written properly in the static itself with underline, it should be mentioned in the subject. Now, we shall see what is the format of a formal letter. When you take a paper, when you write a letter, if you are writing a formal letter, first left side top we will write sender's address. Sender address means what? The person who is writing the letter. And next, just below that, we need to put the date, the when he is going to write this letter. Next is receiver's address, means the person whom we are going to write letter, to the collector or the sub inspector or the principal, whoever it is we are writing, to whom we are going to write, his or her address we need to mention. Just below you have to write the subject, you have to write subject and just write for what purpose you are writing this letter. Thereafter you write salutation, for example, respected sir, respected madam, respected principal, anything. Next is the important part, that is body of the letter. This formal letter mainly we can divide it into three paragraph. First paragraph you can write introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. You have to introduce yourself, who is writing the letter or what is the purpose. And the second paragraph you give the matter, what purpose I am writing, what is my problem, detailed you explain what purpose or what is the problem, what problem you are facing or why you are writing this letter. And the last paragraph you write what you are expecting from this letter. What you are expecting means what is the solution for, why you wrote, first you introduce yourself, second paragraph you wrote your problem, third what you are expecting, and next close the letter and just write your name, signature and designation. This is the format of a formal letter. We shall see what is the format of a formal letter: sender's address, then date, then the receiver address, then that is the subject, then salutation, body of the letter, paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2, paragraph number 3 and closing and the sender, name, signature, designation. This is the way we are studying formal letter. Next we shall study about informal letter. What is the informal letter? Informal letter means just we are writing a letter to the person whom we know. It may be for our brother or sister or father or friends or relatives whom we are writing a letter is called as informal letters. There are different types of informal letters. For example, letter to parents, letter to siblings, letter to friends, letter to classmates, like that. And what is the format of informal letter? So, informal we no need to follow a strict format, no need to follow, because formal letter there is a format, informal no need to follow strict, because we are writing to the person whom we are touching with every day, to our blood relation we are writing. So, we can have some extra information we can write there, we can ask about what happened there, everything. You can have a friendly talk, like in the letter we can mention it. And what is the format of this letter? It should be as it is in the same way. We need to write the address and the person who is writing, and next date, then salutation and greetings like good morning, greetings my dear father or my dear mother, or hi, hello, anything you can mention. And body of the letter is can be written, and you can write, you introduce yourself and you can ask all the details, and there also you can mention if you want 3 paragraph, beginning of the paragraph, what is the main content of the letter, and third one is ending and sender's name and signature. For example, first one address and their date and the salutation and the body of the letter and sender's name and signature. So, in formal, what is the difference between formal letter and informal letter? Mainly in formal letter we are writing, subject is not there, subject is there, and what is the difference? In formal letter we are writing subject and the receiver's address, but in informal letter that we are not writing, just introducing who you are and just we are writing our details. So, I hope you understood that what is the difference between formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter we are writing to the authority, whoever it is, either police station or PW engineer or the collector or the police station or the school principal, whoever it is, the authority people you are writing. Informal letter writing for a blood relation, for example, like our father, mother or our brother, sister or friends or relatives whom you are writing. Now, just all my dear students, you have to open your textbooks, in that there are many exercises are given there, sample letters are given there, you just go through that, you will get more idea about this. So, next day we will study with new lesson. Thank you.